So I did some research and found a study from 2016 done by Brosnan, Luton, and Ashwin talking about the fact that autistics tend to use a deliberative thinking process, which is more logical thinking, which is different from allistics who tend to go through intuitive thinking processes, which means following their emotions or past experiences. In the same study, they also found that autistic people tend to have a hard time making decisions when it has to do with a change in routine, when they have to work with others or talk to others about it, and when the decision needs to be made quickly, because we tend to take more time to make decisions, but that's because we're going through that logical thinking process instead of following our intuitive thinking processes that we normally would if we were allistic. This would then also explain why we have a really hard time following things that are not logical to us. If a rule doesn't make sense, we have a very hard time following that rule, versus allistics who simply follow the rule. So I wonder if that's maybe why everything has to be logical for you. This also explains why we need to explain the reason behind doing something when it comes to autistics, because autistics need to know why they need to do a certain thing. There has to be a logical reason for it, not just randomly, okay, you said I shouldn't, so I won't. I hope that helps, but if you have any follow-up questions, just let me know and I'll keep researching because it's fascinating. Thanks for the question. Bye.